Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern which uses puff stitches in the center to form the star-like structure, four-pointed star. It looks like Sophia star, but it isn't. It is named as Italian square. It comes under granny squares and it is titled as Italian square, and it's just a five round pattern, and it works great with any project that we like, and we can add several such motifs to form the borders of your dresses, the borders of your hats. You can make your summer hats with this, whatnot. Sky is the limit for your imagination. So let's go into the video friends without much ado. Chain 6, excuse me, slip stitch and join to the slip stitch to the first chain and join, form a ring and secure it. Now place 12 double crochets in the chain space. The first one may be a 3 chain if you feel comfortable with it. So place 12 doubles in the chain, come back, slip stitch and join to the first double or the third chain of the 3 chains. I shall place the doubles and get back. I have placed 12 doubles. Now slip stitch to the first double and join. Now we are going to place a puff stitch on every double crochet of the previous round. So pull up the loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert in the same stitch. This is second time, third time, and one more time. 4 times we'll have to insert and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook, chain 1. Next, puff stitch in the next DC, first time, second time, third time, and the fourth time. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, chain 1. Again in the next DC, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. Here we have to chain 5, creating a corner. So we have 12 DCs. After every fourth DC we are creating a corner. And now place your puff stitch in the next. Hold in. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 1. So continue the stitch pattern. 3 puffs with 1 chain spacing and the fourth one with chain 5 spacing. So every fourth puff will be separated by chain 5. Okay, this is going to become the corner for our next round. So complete the stitch pattern and I shall get back after I complete. Come to the end of the round here. I have chain 5, slip stitch to the first puff and slip stitch into the next chain space. And for the third round we are going to place a puff stitch in chain 1 space on the sides. Okay, pull up a loop, yarn over, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times and the 4th time. Yarn over, pull through all of them, chain 1, puff in the next chain space, 3 and 4. Now chain 2, place 5 double crochets in the corner space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again chain 2 and continue placing 2 puffs in the sides corner, 2 puffs in the sides corner as per the stitch pattern shown here. Okay, I shall complete and get back. I have come to the end of this round here. I have slip stitched into the puff stitch and slip stitched into the chain space. Now pull up the loop, yarn over, make a puff here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, chain 3, place a DC on the first DC, chain 1, place a DC on the second DC, chain 1, in the third DC place 1 double, chain 1, 1 double, chain 1, 1 double, and to work the other side, chain 1, double on next double, chain 1, double on next double, chain 3 and make a puff between the puffs. Sorry, you should hold and take. Hold it. 2, 3, hold, 4 and pull through all the loops on the hook. Yeah. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of this round. We've come to the end of the round here. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the first puff stitch and chain 1, place a single crochet in the same puff stitch, then in the next chain space, 3 chain space, 3 single crochets, then 1 single crochet on every stitch and 1 single crochet under 1 chain space. Now we have come to the cornermost stitch here. In this corner, place 3 single crochets. So in the cornermost stitch, it is 3 single crochets. In all the rest, 1 single crochet each on each of the stitches, and 1 single crochet on chain 1 under chain 1 spaces, and the chain 3 space it is 3 single crochets. So continue on all the other sides by placing this stitch pattern, that is this math of single crochets all around, and get back. I shall also complete and get back. I've come to the end of the round here. I've placed my last 3 single crochets in the chain space. Now slip stitch and join. And fasten it off later. You need to slip stitch, join and fasten off the way you like it. Okay, here we go. We have the Italian square. This is named as Italian square. I saw this in one of the books. I don't remember which book, but this is titled as Italian square. That much I remember. Okay, hope you enjoyed this pattern, friends. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Further, please like and share the videos too. And I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.